Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today, we're diving deep into another fascinating coin from American history. History and value of this video. So let's get started. The $1 United States of America coin from 1980, better known as the Eisenhower dollar, is one of the last large-size circulating dollar coins produced by the U.S. Mint, and it carries a very interesting story when we discuss its value in old or circulated condition. By 1980, the Mint only struck this coin in Philadelphia, no mint mark, and Denver, D mint mark, for general use, while the San Francisco Mint issued only special proof versions intended for collectors. This coin has a weight of 22.68 grams, a diameter of 38.1 millimeters, and is made of a copper, nickel-clad composition over a pure copper core, which means that unlike older silver dollars, the 1980 issue does not contain silver and therefore does not carry an intrinsic melt value above face value. On the obverse, the coin honors President Dwight D. Eisenhower, showing his profile with "Liberty in God We Trust," and the date 1980 inscribed, while the reverse features a bald eagle landing on the moon holding an olive branch, a design directly linked to the Apollo 11 mission, symbolizing American achievement and peace. In old condition, which means heavy circulation with worn surfaces, scratches, rim dings, and dull luster, the majority of these coins are only worth a little more than their face value, usually $1.05 to $1.50, since millions were minted and they are not rare in worn states. Philadelphia produced around 27 million pieces and Denver produced about 41 million, giving a total mintage of over 68 million, which explains why heavily used examples are abundant. That said, condition is a key factor in numismatics, so while heavily circulated coins remain common and cheap, those that have survived with only light wear, graded as about uncirculated AU, can bring $3 to $8, while full mint state coins with no wear can rise into the $10 to $30 range for typical uncirculated examples. Exceptional high-grade mint state coins certified MS-65 or better are scarcer because of the large size and frequent bag marks these coins suffered, and they can sell for $50 to $100 plus, especially those with bright luster and sharp detail. The San Francisco proof coins, which were sold in collector proof sets, are much more desirable, particularly in old condition if they have been mishandled outside of their protective packaging. Even with light hairlines or haze, they typically trade in the $10 to $20 range, while pristine cameo proofs may fetch $25 to $40. Error coins are another important area. 1980 Eisenhower dollars with mint errors like off-center strikes, doubled dies, broad strikes, die cracks, or planchet flaws can sometimes sell for $100 to several $100s, depending on severity and visibility of the error. In old condition, though, most circulated Eisenhower dollars are collected more for historical significance than financial gain. Collectors value the $1,980 because it marks the end of an era. After 1980, the U.S. Mint transitioned fully to the smaller Susan B. Anthony dollar, leaving the Eisenhower series as the last of the big dollars. For many people, these coins carry nostalgia, as they were used in casinos, slot machines, and everyday commerce in the 1970s and 1980s. Therefore, while the monetary value in old condition remains low, the historical, cultural, and collectible appeal is strong. A heavily worn 1980 Eisenhower dollar is a tangible reminder of President Eisenhower's legacy, the nation's space achievements, and the last chapter of large-size U.S. dollar coinage. Even if only worth slightly more than $1 in the marketplace, it holds lasting significance as a piece of American history and is often saved as a keepsake rather than spent.